Hello, welcome to LOL Clips. Yeah, you are right. You don't have time, no worries. We are posting clips for you. The important part you will not miss. So come, stay along, and have some clips. Enjoy. As she's a dog nutritions and all, you do healing and Reiki also, what I have heard.
Not Reiki, but yes, chakra healing,
and all
healing
this.
with crystals.
So you are social media influencer and all. ये आपका job kind of thing और passion है. What you guys think as a mom? ये Instagram pets और natural real life pets different होता है?
Definitely.
Instagram, I think you cannot differentiate that much. You have to literally look into some lives. Yeah. Instagram things are always you put up the nicest part sometime of life. That's it. Right. Because you cannot put up the tough parts, and that's where the people get that wrong notion
Exactly.
that life is, because all us pet parents know they also make issues. They also have issues. Like, I get scratched by my cats. I have like this from Coco from the beginning, and we do face so many issues with them. It's not like we give up. That's the difference, I think, that we do not show, but we have to show those parts as well. कि भाई ये problems भी
This is
होते
my
हैं.
this is my question.
Absolutely.
Actually, आप अच्छा दिखा रहे हो तो बुरा भी दिखाओ, लोगों को पता तो
Because
चले.
like Goldens,
And
they're
that's where the
always
difference.
shown.
We are not giving up.
Exactly.
If I understand, I know that like Coco, nobody can handle her. She goes to human needs. उसको इंसान पसंद है जाएगी. She will smell you around. But if you dare touch her, I tell everybody, you don't touch her.
Scratch.
Because she will become a little bit cranky, and she only comes to me. Not even my husband is also a little bit like, okay, you handle her. Like that. And Kiko is so scared of human beings. He will just hide.
You don't like.
He will just hide. He's such small as well. You know, cats are how big a cat is. This month, he will just go inside the bed, and I feel so bad when there are guests throughout the day. And I had to like literally go put a bowl there only. You take, you eat, you sleep, you be comfortable like that. So people need to understand कि ऐसा नहीं है, we don't face issues with our pets.
Of course not.
Like with Pluto, you are telling me so many things. With Dodo, you are telling me that you need to feed him properly. You face issues. We all face the similar kind of issues. It's our kid. Simple as that.
It's very simple. Like even for Goldens, people approach. He looks cute. A dog looking cute doesn't mean he cannot become ferocious.
Yes.
Right? And they've seen Instagram shows with kids and babies and very sweet and loving. But I've never had babies in my house. So Pluto only understands my daughter's age.
Yes.
Right?
And this is very practical. उन्होंने कभी बच्चे के साथ रहा नहीं, उसको पता नहीं.
Exactly.
Natural.
So he's a little, reactive because he is scared. He reacts not out of aggression.
Yes.
Because
scared.
when we tell Pluto, okay, go, he will bark and go backwards, not forwards. So he doesn't want to attack. He's just telling someone, stay away. He hates being looked into his eyes. No matter who you are, you cannot look into his eyes. So, there are certain things, and people always say, oh, but he's a golden.
So what?
He's friendly. I said, even I'm supposed to be friendly, but I'm not.
Not.
I bark.
We choose.
Yeah.
We choose.
I mean,
we choose to react,
exactly.
Right? For the kids, nowadays, if you see, we are learning a thing that newborns, if you go and meet the people, you're not supposed to just hug them.
Exactly.
You're not supposed to just kiss them directly.
Exactly. We don't
Which
touch.
used to be happening in India
Of course.
so much.
So
So it's not a thing. You're not supposed to
you
do
take
that.
permission.
And we learn
permission
that
तो
now.
आपके हाथ में germs है, कुछ भी है, आप
Right.
suddenly touch नहीं कर सकते हो.
Exactly.
To my all us friends, like somehow we are having kids one by one. I go and meet their kids. I'm like that. From the
a
past,
distance,
I want to
maintain a
take that
distance.
baby.
Because it's
But
same
I
goes
know-
for our pets. too.
Yeah. So why can't we apply the same thing to the pets? Simple as that. You
Exactly.
need to, and that thing need to be taught to the kids more. That is where the line needs to be
See,
drawn,
मुझे
right?
ये इस जगह में ना एक ही चीज का कंसर्न है कि आप इन्फ्लुएंसर जैसे आज के डेट में हो चुके हैं ना, आप कोई सभी रबिश से रबिश प्रोडक्ट दो, वो पैसे के लिए उसको भी मतलब प्रमोट कर देंगे। आप वो चीज़ ह्यूमन तक रखने दो प्लीज। आप पेट्स के अंदर वो चीज़ मत लाओ। इवन पेट पेरेंट्स को समझना पड़ेगा। कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लाइक सीबीडी, आपको पता भी है सीबीडी का क्या फॉर्मेशन है, सीबीडी कैसे वर्क करता है, क्या है उसके अंदर। आप रिसर्च किए, आप सीबीडी को एक अच्छा इन्फ्लुएंसर बोलो डॉग के लिए, उन्होंने प्रमोट कर दिया तो एवरीवन इज प्रमोटिंग सीबीडी। व्हाट इज सीबीडी? अगर लोगों को पूछा जाए तो उनको पता भी नहीं होगा सीबीडी क्या है। दे डोंट, उनको पता नहीं। तो मुझे वही बोलना है कि आप कभी कभी अनकंफर्टेबल होते हैं पेट्स की, उनको यहाँ पे क्लिप लगा दिया, कपड़ा डाल दिया। आप उनको ऐसे चीजें करने बोल रहे हो जो ह्यूमंस कैमरा के सामने 15 सेकंड के लिए करते हैं अपनी मर्जी से। उनको कोई फोर्स नहीं कर रहा है। आप अपने पेट्स को अपनी मर्जी से नहीं उनको करवा रहे हो, आप उनको फोर्स कर रहे हो। आपको लेना है, आप लो, नॉर्मल खेल रहा है आप लो। और वो कंटेंट नहीं है तो आप ह्यूमन के जैसा कंटेंट निकालने की कोशिश मत करो। दैट्स अ फोर्स। एंड ये मुझे लग रहा है कि ये आज के डेट में बहुत ट्रेंडिंग हो चुका है सोशल मीडिया,
I mean,
इंस्टाग्राम।
that is now humanizing. Not talking to your, but this is humanizing. Like Pluto hates clothing.
यस,
And I always tell
जोर जबरदस्ती या
सबको, I said, "कुत्ता है भाई."
प्रेशराइजिंग।
His paws are rough. But I don't want to wear socks. I don't want bum. I want to be animal-like.
Yes.
And
I said, so
That's
weird.
my space.
Yeah.
Give me my space.
like
Yes.
I put those pretty collars on my cats for 5 minutes, and I'm like, yaar, she's not comfortable. I go and
Kholo.
open it myself. I have multiple things lying around in the
हाँ.
house. I haven't made them wear them for more than 5 minutes
बोल तो रही हूँ,
because I feel like it's a kid only, right?
ह्यूमन ब्रेन। मैं तो एक ही चीज बोलूंगी, प्लीज पेट पेरेंट्स, ह्यूमन ब्रेन मत लाओ, बच्चों को तंग मत करो। आपको इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है, आप खुद बन जाओ। आपको प्रोडक्ट
But
लॉन्च करना है,
Kasturi,
खुद करो।
there is a issue with the product companies as well.
They are marketing strategy.
I have a small influencer marketing agency as well,
Mhm.
where I do get products where the brand is not understanding. The brand is sometimes very reluctant.
See,
They are only seeing a person's Instagram or even just the numbers, not
Just-
even their
no,
content, the
yes.
quality, the
just the
proper-
numbers.
To
And he
explain to them, you know what,
Mm.
this is more relevant.
Mhm,
Even if
mhm.
she has less,
Mhm,
she might be more relevant for your work. She might be more relevant for your thing.
mhm,
No, they just wanna go chase the numbers,
mhm.
even if they are like, not the real ones. So that is a very different thing. So I feel both parties are responsible because I am on the both side. Like I'm talking as a marketing agency where I get the client requests, and then I am also towards the content creator where I see a lot of collabs and everything coming my way. But then the brands become very reluctant. They
Very
are
much.
not fairly choosing because there is half responsibility which lies with them as well.
Of
Of course, and they are ready to pay n number of money, but don't pay money until you produce something brand which is not affecting them. My name is Kasturi Jha. I'm the host of this podcast, LOL, Let's Off Leash. And who's coming the next guest? That will be a question. Bye.